Hey Kimberbellas, Cristin here. Guess what? We're on the last step of our Broomhilda pillow. So all you need to do on this last tutorial is to put on your envelope backing. Mine has cute little witch feet. And it's a different style, but I've gone over it in the tutorial. And then to put on your fairy lights. So I've seen lots of posts about these fairy lights, and I found them really easy, so hopefully you will too. I don't know what this thing is called, and I don't remember how I got it. I think I got it in like, I don't know, a kit of maybe making earrings or something. I don't know, but I've had this thing. It came in a pack with a bunch of vinyl or something. I don't remember. But anyway, this thing worked really great for me. And then when I needed an extra little push, I used these, but worked really great. I will say that the hardest part was getting it through the vinyl, and even that was just really, really simple. So don't stress about it. It's really easy. And now we're done. I'm quite excited. I can't wait to have it on my bench. So thank you again to Brenda Pelton for sending me this very nice gift. She sent me the CD as a thank me for doing the tutorials, and that was just so thoughtful of her. So very fun, and it was a lot of fun to do this group project. I hope you're nearing the end of yours as well, and we still have plenty of time before Halloween. So very fun. Good job, everybody. Just so you know, I totally blame the manufacturer of those little fairy lights because mine didn't work, and I had to go find some 2032 batteries. And since I had to go to the store, I got a little cake too. Oh, bad, bad, bad. But I'm curious. So this is my thing. I can't, anything with caramel, I have no willpower. What is your thing? Tell me so I don't feel so bad about my little tiny cake purchase. What is one thing that you have no willpower against?